How many of you vloggers do this? Please don't forget to follow, like, and... Today, I'm here in Pangasinan to do a resort review. Okay. I hope I pronounced this right. Sushi Moriwase. Moriawase. If you tend to forget your lines when you start recording your camera, this gadget will help you solve that problem. Hey guys, what is up? This is Joe with another interesting tech review. Today is another beautiful day to unbox and review one of my favorite tools in vlogging, the Bestview T1 Mobile Teleprompter. This will help you avoid repeating your shots by letting you read your lines while still looking at the camera. So, let's not waste any more time. Let's go! Right off the box, you got the manual, several lens adapters for different lens sizes, teleprompter remote, and the T1 teleprompter. That's what's in the box. Now, I got this product from Lazada and it's worth around $80. For a budget teleprompter, the build feels solid and doesn't feel cheap. Looking closer, it has a front cover that protects the mirror inside, and a back cover where you can attach the lens adapter. At the bottom of the unit is a 1/4-inch screw so you can mount it on tripods. And back to where the mirror is located, there is a slot where you can mount your phone. The phone acts as the device to scroll and project your script to the teleprompter's mirror. To do this, you need to download the Bestview app. For Android users, you can simply scan the QR code found in the user manual. For iOS users, search for Bestview in the Apple Store. With the Bestview app, you can set the size of the text, scrolling speed, font and background color, and mirror mode. This is also where you upload the script that will be shown on the teleprompter. You have two options to control the app when the script is currently playing. You can either control your phone directly, which requires you to go near the teleprompter, or you can connect the teleprompter remote via Bluetooth, so you can connect the app wirelessly. Now, here are some downsides I noticed when I'm using the T1 teleprompter. I notice a very minimal exposure difference when the teleprompter is attached to the camera, which doesn't really bother me that much. If you use a wide-angle lens, the borders of the teleprompter is seen in the view, so you need to zoom in a bit to remove it from sight. It's a little struggle to attach your phone to the teleprompter, but I guess this is Bestview making sure your phone is secured so it doesn't fall off. Using a teleprompter still requires you to practice your communication skills. Even if you would see the words in front of you, reading through the teleprompter has a tendency to make your eyes drift away from the camera. So you need to make sure you are looking around the middle area of the teleprompter and avoid looking at the edges. Overall, I prefer using the T1 when I'm sitting down and I have a lot of information to say in front of the camera. But when it comes to me talking on the spot or doing run-and-gun shooting, I prefer to just talk naturally and not have the teleprompter attached, since it's added weight to the camera. I believe this product has solved a very relatable vlogging problem, which is usually forgetting our lines when the camera is recording. This is an awesome tool and investment to have in your vlogging gear, because it will help you minimize the number of takes and make your post-processing much easier. Alrighty, that's my review of the Bestview T1 Mobile Teleprompter. I hope you guys learned something new in this video. If you did, please share your support by liking, commenting, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell to be notified for new contents such as this. Also, don't forget to follow my other social media accounts. This is Joe Serrano signing out, and I will see you in my next tech review. See you guys!